Forget flat design. Let's build this futuristic liquid glass UI. First, create your card. White fill at 10% opacity and a subtle stroke. The secret sauce? Background blur. Set it to 60 for that premium frosted look. Add your vibrant mesh gradient image. Place it behind the card to see the magic happen. Create your rectangle above this card, white fill at 10% opacity and a subtle stroke. Background blur. Set it to 60. Duplicate. Rotate and scale your liquid background for the next state. Set prototype to while hovering and use Smart Animate on the gentle setting. Bouncy, futuristic, and clean. Subscribe for more Figma 2026 vibes.